So, a minute ago, I was trying to record, I was trying to do a video Snapchat, and if you follow me on Snapchat, you will see the video or hear the video, but I was trying to do a video of a bird making a really, like, weird sound. It's like barking, and then all of a sudden you hear the cats down there going crazy, and I think they got into another fight. I was like, oh no, I hate when that happens. But, yeah, like this bird was just like barking, and I'm like, what kind of bird barks? I don't know. Whoa. Well, there was a good picture. I don't know where it went. Ha ha ha. Alrighty. So, today, oh, my feet hurt. Oh my. Flasko said, opportunity to sit in Mama's lap. Flasko, nobody wants to see your butt. Nobody wants to see your butt. Sun is bright. And Dakota is over there eating a stick. And Dakota never plays with anything outside. And she's nomming on a stick. There's that bird. There's that bird. I'm trying to get as close to it as possible. What's it? It'll start barking. What kind of bird is that? I don't know. If you know what kind of bird that is, let me know. We're in North Carolina, so all the people who are out of state, I don't know if you had this kind of bird, but it's barking and stuff. I hear them all the time, but I just want to know what kind of bird barks. I just stepped on a stick. Okay. So, the purpose of this video was to just kind of say hey. And it's a beautiful day here in North Carolina. It's sunny. It's very warm. And I love it. And we have a 3-day weekend. Yesterday, Misha, Felicia, Michelle, and I went to see Allie in the hospital. She had emergency spine surgery, which obviously was not fun. And it happened like within a couple of hours. They were like, oh, we need to take you to the hospital now and have emergency surgery on your spine, which could possibly kill you. So that was not fun at all. But she did really well in the surgery, and she came out really good. She's obviously sore, but she's looking really well, and it's exciting because she's very strong, and I know that she'll be healing up sooner than most people. But I told her, I said, take your time healing. We need to make sure that everything's good. So, yeah. And Pep's over here panicking because she wants to find her ball. So her ball is inside. I just don't want her to get too hot again because I don't want her to have another heat stroke. Yeah, Pep. Oh. Alright. Stop it. No. Go get another stick. Go get another stick. That's way better than a ball. Alright. Am I forgot? Oh, yeah. So, it's 3-day weekend. Went to the hospital yesterday to see Allie. Got home at midnight. We were there until like 11:30 or 11 o'clock. And they were like, okay, you gotta go. So, we left. But, I don't even remember what else I was going to say. Today is Granny and Pawpaw's 50th wedding anniversary. So Felicia and I went yesterday before we went to see Allie. And we got some decorations. But we got to go to Michael's today to get a black foam board. And we're going to use gold metallic paint. Because the thing for the 50th anniversary is gold. And so we're going to make a board that says Happy 50th Anniversary. And the party is at 6. So we're going to go do that. I got to go get an oil change. I got to go get an estimate on getting new tires for the Explorer because the front driver's side has a slow leak in it, which is not getting, or it's not really slow anymore. It's starting to get bigger. So the dog's about to start going crazy because neighbor's out walking his dog. And there they go. They are psycho, I tell you. I don't know if you can see them. They're crazy. Hold on.
I'm bathing.
Anyways, like I was saying, it's not working. She will not stop working. She will not. And I ain't got a bug on. Look at that. I just got dissed by my own dog. How sad is that? But Jeffrey's out here. Hi, Jeffrey.
Hello.
Oh. Come here. I tried giving her a 4-leaf clover to make her be quiet. Actually, it was not a 4-leaf clover. It was like a petal of a 3-leaf clover. And she will not stop barking. Oh, I almost just fell over. Alright. Well, that's about it. Just wanted to let you know, give you a little bit of an update. And I might film a little bit at the anniversary party. We will see. And I will keep you updated on Allie and everything that we have been doing lately. I know it's been I know that I've been a little bit MIA, but hopefully, soon we will be back and rolling. Because that would be awesome. Okay, I will see you in the next video. Bye.